Hello there.
Today I am going to show you how to create patterns for internal Windows kernel functions. Internal kernel functions are functions that are not exported by the driver. First we need to find the function itself. This can be easily done with tools like Ghidra or Ghidra. You can even use the free version of Ghidra for this task. I made 2 videos on this topic. In the first one I show you how to do it in Ghidra. The second video shows you the same process but with Ghidra. The link will be in the description of the video. Okay, with this out of the way, let's start by running Ghidra. In this tutorial we will create a pattern for the function getBKColor, which is located in Win32k full.sys. Create a new project, then press I and locate Win32k full.sys. After that open the file in the code browser, and click No on the window asking you if you want to analyze the file now. Now go to File, and then Load PDB file. This will bring up a window. Here click on Config. A second window will show up. Here you have to create a directory where the PDBs will be stored. After this you will have to press the plus icon. Press on the Microsoft URL and press OK. Now we are back at the Load PDB window. Press Advanced, and then hit Search All. If everything went well, you will see a result with a green checkbox. Select the result and press Load, and wait until Ghidra finished loading the PDB. A PDB file is a program database filled with debug information. This will make it much easier to find the function we are searching for, because the function names are visible when we use it. The last step is to go to Analysis and then press Auto Analyze. OK, now just wait until Ghidra finished analyzing the driver. Now we need to go to the Symbol Tree window, and then insert the function name in the filter, and then click on the result. You should see the function in the listing window now. Double-click on the first XREF. In the XREF window click on the XREF that calls the function. This will bring us to the location of the call. Now we need to create the pattern. It is best to use wildcards for addresses and functions. I am going to do this by hand so it is easier to follow how I made the pattern. As you can see, I select 16 bytes and copy them into Notepad++. Then I remove the assembly instructions until only the bytes are left. Okay, now I replace the bytes of the functions with wildcards. As you can see, E8 is the assembly instruction call. Beware, I use only 1 question mark per byte. The last step is to check if our pattern is unique in the driver. This is very important, so always do it. After creating a pattern, to do this, copy our pattern, go to Search Memory, and then the Search Memory window will pop up. Just paste the pattern in the search value input and then click on Search All. A window will open and show all the occurrences in a list. If there is only one, you are done. However, if you find more than one, you have to increase the size of the pattern. Wonderful. Now you know how to create the patterns. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, I would appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great rest of your day.